Today we've got a Sports Afield gun safe that has a broken bolt control assembly. The bolt control handle just spins freely because a weld is broken on the inside of the door. So the way that we'll overcome that is the lock is still operational and it's got the override key. We've got to drill for the end of a bolt and punch it back and then repair the interior parts. Very common problem on, well, relatively common problem on Sports Afield. This is a relatively common problem on Sports Afield safes and some others that they manufacture under different names, but it's relatively easy to overcome. Okay, we got the Sports Afield open. Now we just have to repair the hole and the bolt control assembly, and they'll be back in action, working like new. Here we can see the weld that is broken on this collar that connects to the bolt control and the bolt cam. The handle spins freely, but it doesn't actually turn the cam to retract the bolt. So that's the part that breaks on these imported safes a lot of times and has to be overcome with a side drill. Okay, we've got the repairs completed, tightened up that bolt control cam and collar. Now bolt work opens and allows you to close and secure the safe.